Hi, my name is Muhammad Amin bin Zulfangan.
Hi, my name is Noshaizan bin Drus.
Hi, my name is Nurul Iman bin Abu Bakar.
We are from
Polytechnic
Tuanku Sultanah
Bahia.
Bahia.
Why we should calibrate oscilloscope?
Because calibrating your oscilloscope will maintain the integrity of your reading. Oscilloscope need to read data accurately.
What are the major components? Display screen displays an input signal with respect to time. Control panel adjusts how to input this signal is displayed. How to calibrate? First step, examine all the controls on your scope and set them to normal position. For the most scope, all rotating dials should be centered, all push buttons should be out, and all slide switch and pedal switch should be up. Second step, turn your oscilloscope on. It's the old-fashioned CRT kind. Give it a minute or two to warm up. Third step, set the volt per division control to 0.5. This set the scope to display 0.5 volt per vertical division. Fourth step, set the time per division control to 0.5 millisecond. This control determines the time interval represented by each horizontal division on the display. Fifth step, set the trigger switch to auto. Sixth step, connect a oscilloscope cable. Connect the free end of BNC cable to channel 1 on the oscilloscope. And another end to calibration terminal. Push down on the top part to expose the little hook. It is not necessary to connect the ground lead of your test probe for calibration. Seventh step, if necessary, adjust the small knob at time per division and volt per division control until square wave fit nicely within the display. Eighth step, if necessary, adjust the Y position control to center the trace vertically. If necessary, adjust the X position control to the center the trace horizontally. If necessary, adjust the intensity and focus settings to get a clear trace. Congratulations, you are now ready to begin view the waveforms of actual electronic signals. Key to remember, don't ever touch the small knob of time per division and volt per division controls while doing the experiment. Thanks.